Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to turn all these shapes into this human shape. Are you guys ready to do it with me? Let's do it together. First, can you guess what shape this is? A lot of our friends from Australia might know this. Yeah, they're kangaroos. Yep, they're in kangaroo shapes. Let's count how many kangaroos we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 kangaroos. Can you guys name all the colors of the kangaroos? Let's do it together. This kangaroo is pink. This kangaroo is red. This kangaroo is orange. Is blue. This is brown. He's yellow. And he's green. Great! Let's do it one more time. Pink, red, orange, blue, brown, yellow, and green. Okay, now let's turn all the kangaroos into the human form. Going to squish them together. Great, our first human, and he's pink. Here's red, and this is red kangaroo. Great! Our second human is red human. This is orange. And this is orange kangaroo. Now we have an orange human. Yay! This is blue, and this is blue kangaroo. Great, now we have a blue human. Oh. This is brown, and this is brown kangaroo. Great, now we have a brown human. Yay! This is yellow, And this is yellow kangaroo. And now we have yellow human. Yay! And lastly, this is green. And this is green kangaroo. Hey, look! The foam is green too, guys! Cool! There it is! Green human! Great! Now all the kangaroos have become humans now! So cool, guys! Let's name all the colors of the human one more time! Pink, red, orange, blue, brown, yellow, and green! Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!